You'll try chicken feet.
Just try the nail. Let's take a quick pick.
All right, I'm gonna try it because I'm not gonna be. Ooh, they're ice cold.
She decapitated it.
No, there's no head, babe. Decapitation's head. Okay. Anybody else want to try it?
No.
Okay.
It's gonna be a no for me.
Thank you guys. And say,
Wait, and maybe Ava might like to try a pork bungus on live social
Live
right
TV.
now. Pork bungus? What?
Ava, be adventurous.
No,
You
thank
can't
you.
try.
Is
I'm
that
not
a bone?
traveling with her unless she tries it.
No, thank you. Is that a bone? It's a bungus.
It's just take a tiny nibble. I'm not saying you have to put it in your mouth. Take a
Or have some of the
shred.
fat.
Take a shred of it. Ava, or you're not going to Greece. You think we're going to go to Greece and eat nothing with you?
Please.
Take a tiny shred of something in there. Ava, be adventurous.
Here, let me scrape your teeth with this.
Paige, let her get a shred.
Okay.
Stay
Stay confident.
Ah! Just scrape it on your teeth. And
Tastes like chicken. It comes from chicken. There we go. I pride myself in throwing events where people
Paige, how about
jump
you?
out of their comfort zone.
What about you, Paige? Get out of your comfort zone.
Okay.
Come on. Thank you. Good. Now say, let's sing the Gourmet Girl song. What's on the stove?
What's on the stove?
Literally nothing. Nothing is on.
People are on their way.